Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to another session of Madina Arabic Book 1. So, in the previous session, we completed with lesson number 2, and today we'll start with lesson number 3. So, let's begin. Bismillah. Over here, it is written Ad-Darsus Salisu. Ad-Darsus Salisu. Now, Daras means lesson and Salisu means third. So, this is lesson number 3. Okay, so in lesson number 1 we learned about indefinite noun, right? Indefinite noun by adding tanween or dammaten. The double damma on top, it is called as dammaten. Okay, the tanween having double damma is called as dammaten, and this we use for an article a or an for a noun. Okay, so we have already learned about this, about indefinite noun. To make any noun indefinite, we put a or an by adding dhammaten on the noun. Okay, however, in order to make this indefinite noun definite, in English we add article the, right? Before any noun we add the article the. Similarly, in Arabic, for the article the we use alif lam. Okay, alif plus lam. Okay, so in order to make any indefinite noun definite, we will add the article the, and for that in Arabic it is alif plus lam, alif lam, and it is pronounced as al. So this will be added before any noun, and along with that what we will do is from this dhamma then we will eliminate one of the dhamma. Okay, and just one dhamma will be there on top of a noun. So let's learn more about this with the examples over here. So the first word here is, the noun here is baitun. Okay, baitun. And we have already learned about this, that baitun means a house, right? Baitun means a house. Now, in order to convert this indefinite noun to this general noun and to make it specific, as if you're talking about a specific house. So we will add alif lam, and then from this dhamma, then from this double dhamma, one of the dhamma is eliminated. Okay, one of the dhamma is eliminated, and there is just one dhamma on top, so it will be pronounced as al baytu. Okay, so we'll do two things in order to make any indefinite noun definite. We will add alif lam before the noun, and then we will add one dhamma on top of the noun. So this baitun, a house, will become al baitu, meaning the house. Okay, baitun, a house, al baitu, the house. Baitun, a house, al baitu, the house. Now likewise we'll do for the next example. It is kitabun. Kitabun. Okay, kitabun. We know that kitabun means a book. Now to make this indefinite noun definite, we will add alif lam before the noun, and then we will eliminate one of the tanween, one of the dhamma here, and we'll just put one dhamma on top. So this kitabun will become al kitabu. Al kitabu, meaning the book. So here we are talking about a specific book, not any general book, but a specific book. Okay, kitabun, a book, al kitabu, the book. Now next word here is qalamun. Qalamun. Qalamun means a pen, right? Qalamun means a pen. Now to make this indefinite noun definite, we will add alif lam before the noun, and we'll eliminate one of the dhamma and just put one dhamma on top. So qalamun will become al qalamu, right? Qalamun become al qalamu, meaning the pen. Okay, qalamun will become al qalamu, the pen. Now last word here is jamalun. Jamalun. Jamalun means a camel. Okay, Jamalun means a camel. Now to convert this indefinite noun to definite, we'll add alif lam before the noun. We'll eliminate one of the dhamma from the dhamma then, and we'll just keep one dhamma on top. So jamalun will become al jamalu, meaning the camel. Okay, jamalun will become al jamalu, the camel. Now let's move on to the sentence here. Over here it is written al qalamu maksurun. Al qalamu maksurun. Now al qalamu, it is a definite noun. It is talking about a specific pen. Okay, al qalamu means the pen. Okay, al qalamu means the pen. Maksurun means broken. So this is a new word to learn. Maksurun means broken. Al-qalamu maksurun. Al-qalamu maksurun. Maksurun means broken. So final translation is the pen is broken. Al-qalamu maksurun. The pen is broken. Al-qalamu maksurun. The pen is broken. Moving on to the next sentence here. Al-babu maftuhun. Al-babu maftuhun. Al-babu means the door. Okay, so we have already learned that babun, we have learned this in the lesson 1. Babun means a door. So if we add alif lam, al, babu, and we remove one of the dhamma from the dhamma then from the tanween, and we just keep one dhamma on top, so this will become the door. So here we'll be talking about a specific door. Maftuhun means open. So the specific door which is open. So we are talking about that door. Okay. Al-babu maftuhun. Al-babu maftuhun. The final translation is the door is open. Al-babu maftuhun. Al-babu maftuhun, meaning the door is open. The last one here is Al-waladu jalisun. Al-waladu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. Wal mudarrisu waqifun. Al-waladu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. So we have learned that waladun means a boy, right? We've already learned this vocabulary. Waladun means a boy. Now to make this indefinite noun definite, we will add alif lam. Okay, so it will become al waladu. Okay, al waladu. We'll eliminate one of the dhamma from the dhammatin, and we'll just keep one dhamma on top. So waladun will become al waladu, meaning the boy. Okay, so here it is written al waladu jalisun. Al waladu jalisun. Al waladu means the boy. Jalisun means sitting. Okay, jalisun means sitting. So al waladu jalisun means the boy is sitting. The boy is sitting. Al waladu jalisun, the boy is sitting. Wal mudarrisu. Wal mudarrisu. Now wa means and mudarrisu. So we know that mudarrisun, mudarrisun means a teacher. Okay, mudarrisun means a teacher, which is a indefinite noun. Okay, to make it definite, we will add alif lam before it, so it will become al mudarrisu. So we have eliminated one of the dhamma from the dhammatin, and we have just kept one dhamma on top from the tanween. Okay, so this is al mudarrisu, meaning the teacher. So wa means and, al mudarrisu. Al mudarrisu means the teacher, and waqifun. Waqifun means standing. Waqifun means standing. So final translation of this sentence is, and the teacher is standing. Okay. Al-waladu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. Al-waladu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. Al-waladu jalisun means the boy is sitting. Al-waladu jalisun means the boy is sitting. Wal mudarrisu waqifun means and the teacher is standing. Wal mudarrisu waqifun and the teacher is standing. Alright, so now let's revise all the words that we have learned today. So, in lesson 3, we learned about converting indefinite noun to definite. And how would we do that? By adding alif lam before the noun and eliminating or removing one of the dhamma from the dhammatain, from the tanween, and just having one dhamma on top. So here baytun means a house, and we'll convert this into definite by adding alif lam and one dhamma on top. So baytun will become al baytu. Baytun will become al baytu. Baytun means a house, al baytu means the house. Next is kitabun. Kitabun means a book. Al kitabu means the book. Okay. Al-Kitabu means the book. After that, qalamun. Qalamun, it means a pen. Qalamun means a pen. We'll convert this to definite by adding alif lam and one dhamma on top at the end. So it will become al-qalamu. Qalamun, a pen. Al-qalamu, the pen. Okay. Last word here is jamalun. Jamalun. Jamalun means a camel. Jamalun means a camel. Al-Jamalu, the camel. Jamalun, a camel. Al-Jamalu, the camel. Now the sentence here, Al-Qalamu maksurun. Al-Qalamu maksurun. Al-Qalamu means the pen. Maksurun means broken. Al-Qalamu maksurun means the pen is broken. Al-Qalamu maksurun, the pen is broken. After that, Al-Babu maftuhun. Al-Babu maftuhun. Al-Babu means the door. Maftuhun means open. Final translation is the door is open. Al-Babu maftuhun. Al-Babu maftuhun. The door is open. Al-Babu maftuhun. The door is open. And last here, Al-Waladu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. Al-Waladu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. Al-Waladu means the boy, jalisun means sitting. Final translation is the boy is sitting. Al-Waladu jalisun, the boy is sitting. Al-Waladu jalisun, the boy is sitting. Wal mudarrisu waqifun. Wal mudarrisu waqifun. And the teacher is standing. Wa means and. Al-Mudarrisu means the teacher, and waqifun means standing. Final translation is and the teacher is standing. So that's it for today's session. In the next video, we'll continue with more of the sentences and learn more about the definite noun. Okay, until then, do subscribe to the channel and push on the bell notification button so whenever I upload any new video, you will be notified. Until then, Jazakallah khair and Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.